Here we go. Forward. Stop. Reverse. Stop. Nothing. Safety. Okay. So, you want to raise the head up. This is the brake. It locks this to this. Bring this over. You pick it up. That's going down. I want to go the other direction.
Which also changes the direction of the drill bit, right?
Yeah, which we don't care when we're rapid moving this, because we're not drilling in this mode. This is just for positioning. So, this block, the whole ram moves now.
All right.
So once you find your happy spot, you lock that in place. You lock that in place, that locks the ram in a vertical position. That's a happy spot. But let's say I want to move out further. This is a lock. You undo your lock, you can traverse the head in and out. So the best way to move this is you go ahead and you loosen this guy, you loosen that fella, and you kind of put it right where you want it. The first thing you do is you reach down here and lock that in place. Lock this guy in place. Now that's where I'm going to have my hole. So, power feed, disengage. Forward. We're going to come down close to our part. When I want to engage the power feed, you just snap that into that position. And you'll notice that the quill is now paying out. This changes how fast that moves per revolution. This one changes how many RPM the spindle does. Probably a little fast for that drill, unless it's aluminum. That would be good for aluminum. Which retracts the quill. So when you're moving the machine around, in case you don't want to bump this and have everything turn on, you hit the stop button. Now you can play with this and nothing happens. The machine's perfectly safe to move around and locate. Then when you want to drill, you push that guy on, like that. There's several speeds. You gotta make sure that everything's stopped before you change your gearbox. That's with every machine out there. So there's 100 and let's call it 85 RPM. It's about 185. That's 20 thousandths per revolution. That's speeding quite fast for that RPM.
That'll be the soft metal.
Average would be 8 thousandths to 14 thousandths. So I believe it's 4 thousandths, 8 thousandths, 14 thousandths, and 20 thousandths positions. Those are your only choices. So this would be normal. You can see this starting to move, the quill's hanging out, good to go. This cute little guy, this whole table tips by loosening these two bolts, rotating this handle, and you can graduate this in a position as you desire. Safety in the machine. Don't make long stringy chips. Go ahead and engage the power feed, let it feed forward, and then disengage it to break the chip. Re-engage it, let it feed forward, disengage it.
What's this handle do?
This handle is for positioning your drill bit close to your work. This is not a feed handle to push on.
No.
This handle is just that. Pull this back, it ratchets, and you can push it down. It's actually supposed to be spring loaded. So this is how you do this. So you can actually feed this in this manner. I usually just use the power feed. To get drills in and out of here. Have we got a drift? One of the tapered metal